Due to the heavy floods in Vrindavan, we have faced a big crisis. Therefore, Food for Life Vrindavan took an initiative and tried to reach to those places where no one is able to reach. We cooked khichdi in our school kitchen, packed ration packets which includes pulses, rice, sugar, flour, cooking oil and tea. We set out for the area, but there were many challenges on the way. For example, during this time, the water started entering our car and we were really scared because if the water had gone inside our engine, the car would have been stuck there. But somehow, fortunately, we were able to reach the area from where our journey begins. So right now we have come to a place where the area is completely flooded and not many people are able to reach inside. So over here, with the help of our car, we have reached this area. We are going to hire a boat over there. We are shifting all the food stuff and right now we are going to go completely inside where a lot of people stuck. When we were shifting ration and khichdi in our boat, we heard a lot of things from the locals. The area is too dangerous. The water is too deep. So many families are stuck inside. And when we reached there, we were hit by the reality. The first person we saw was this old man and we started helping from here. Now one thing to note is that all these people have built their houses 3 feet above the road level. Being near Yamuna river, these people are usually expecting floods. However, this time it exceeded their expectations. Till now, everything was going on smoothly and we were able to distribute foodstuffs to the families. However, the real challenges were yet to come. As we went inside, these electric wires were blocking our way in serving more people. And this challenge of electrical wiring was just the beginning because we were serving in the exterior areas currently. Narrow lanes and big trees was also one of the challenges. So right now we have to go to that side because the Brajvasis are stuck over there. But the water is really deep and the electrical poles are blocking our way. So we are trying to figure out a way through which we can cross this and go to the other side. Somehow maintaining the balance on the boat, crossing these wires, we were finally able to reach the man in need. We also faced a few little challenges like the oar fell in the river and the boatman had to swim against the current of the river and get the oar back. As we moved forward, we found multiple families calling out for help.
यहाँ पर 2 है, यहाँ पर 2 है, 4 है। 4 दे दो। इसको 2 तुम ले लो।
2 तुम ले लो, 2 तुम ले लो। कितने दिन से फंसे हो आप लोग?
हम लोग 6 दिन से फंसे हैं।
लो 6 दिन से फंसे हो, क्या दिक्कत आ रहा है?
दिक्कत यहाँ पानी नहीं है और खाना थोड़ी भी बचे थे, वो भी चावल फावल सब गए घर के अंदर। आ नहीं पाया।
मेरे वो जो रिक्शा है वो भी डूब गए।
बिजली तो कुछ नहीं है, मोबाइल कनेक्शन, बात करने का भी कुछ नहीं है और पीने का पानी नहीं है, सबसे बड़ा चीज। और हमारे घरवाली को तबीयत
और बर्तन दे दो खिचड़ी के लिए।
दवाई नहीं थे और कोई नहीं आया। ये भैया आया पहले खाने देने इतना दिन बाद,
कोई नहीं आया।
कैसे जाऊँ आप बोलो? आपका तो नाव है, हम कैसे जाऊँ? किसी को फोन कर रहा हूँ, 1000 रुपया मांगा, तब भी वहाँ तोड़ के देके भाग गया। बोला 1000 रुपया दे, मैं आ रहा हूँ। तो मैं बोला दे दूंगा कर्जा करके, तू पहले आ। तो वो वहाँ जहाँ टूटा हुआ था वहाँ तक गए और भाग गया और आए नहीं कोई। हम वहाँ देखो फंसे।
2 फैमिली है।
As we finished giving ration to this family, this lady was so thankful to us and burst into tears. Can you imagine? There are approximately 50 families stuck here and we tried to help as many as we could. Now here, the distance between the 2 electricity poles was very less and so it was very difficult for us to take the boat near this man's house. We tried as hard as we could. However, we ultimately had to give his food rations to his neighbor. But even to reach his neighbor was very difficult as we had tall trees and thin lanes waiting for us. Somehow we managed to reach there and gave the food rations to this man.
ले लेंगे जैसे भी ले लेंगे। दे दिया इनसे ले लेना।
As we were crossing the lane, we realized that we are going over a small house. But we had to go in the colony to help one more. The only relief for us was that the electricity was cut off. This man is currently standing at his house gate, and if he takes one more step ahead, he might drown. Devastating floods have left families homeless and heartbroken. Your support can rebuild lives, bringing hope and solace. Together we can dry their tears, one step at a time. Empower those in need today and let compassion flow like a river of kindness. So just now we distributed khichdi and food rations to the families who are stuck inside. The area has been completely flooded. People have lost their houses, they have lost their belongings. The clippings have been already posted. Please go ahead and watch this, and we really request you to pray at this particular time, because this is a very difficult time for people here in Vrindavan. So we request you to also please donate. Please come forward and donate and help these needy children and women at this particular time. Help these hearts sunk in floods. Your help rebuilds lives and brings hope. Empower those in need. Right now we went inside and distributed food rations to approximately 50 families who were stuck inside. And now as we come out, we see more people gathering here, especially women, to collect khichdi and food rations from here. As you can see, the area is completely flooded and people have lost almost everything. So it's a very difficult time, a very tough situation. Although sometimes in the camera we cannot capture every single thing, but when you're really here on the ground, you can really see that how this little act actually makes a difference in the lives of the people. It's really sad to see how people are stuck inside, and actually in 6 days we were the first ones who went inside and distributed food to them. It's really heart-touching and very overwhelming situation for us here. So we all request you to please come forward in this difficult situation. Pray, because prayers are very strong, and at the same time we also request you to donate. The QR code is in the video, so please come forward and donate and help these people.